What if I told you, there's a living organism that feeds on radiation? Not only does it survive where nothing else should, it's actually stronger because of it. Deep inside one of the most radioactive places on Earth, this life form is rewriting everything we thought we knew about survival, evolution, and even space travel. Stick around, because this fungus might just save astronauts, clean up nuclear waste, and change the future of medicine. In 1986, reactor number 4 at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded. It was one of the worst nuclear disasters in history. The explosion released 400 times more radiation than Hiroshima. Entire towns were evacuated. The surrounding area became a radioactive exclusion zone. And yet, 3 decades later, something unexpected was found growing on the reactor walls. A type of fungus, later identified as Cladosporium sphaerospermum, was discovered thriving inside the high radiation zones of Chernobyl. While most living things were destroyed by the radiation, this fungus was doing the opposite. It was growing toward radiation sources, not away. Scientists were stunned. Here's where it gets even more unbelievable. The fungus contains melanin, the same pigment that gives color to human skin. But in this organism, melanin works differently. It converts gamma radiation into chemical energy through a process called radiosynthesis, a biological mechanism similar to photosynthesis in plants. In other words, this fungus eats radiation. Researchers at NASA took notice. In 2016, they launched a sample to the International Space Station to see how it would react in microgravity and cosmic radiation. Not only did the fungus grow rapidly, but it also appeared to block radiation, reducing it by nearly 2% despite being just 2 millimeters thick. Scale that up, and you've got a potential bioshield for future Mars missions, but it doesn't stop there. Scientists believe melanin-rich fungi like this could be used in radiation therapy, radioactive waste cleanup, and even space habitat construction. The idea of growing protective walls made from biological material that repairs itself. It's no longer just science fiction. And it's not just Chernobyl. Similar fungi have been found around Fukushima, inside abandoned reactors, and even near Elephant's Foot, the deadly radioactive mass under Reactor 4. Where humans fear to tread, these microscopic life forms are already moving in. The resilience of this organism has forced researchers to rethink life's limits. Could fungi like this exist on Mars? Europa? Deep beneath Earth's crust? The answer might be yes. From a tragedy that once symbolized devastation, emerges a story of hope, adaptability, and survival. A single-celled fungus that not only endures radiation, it uses it as fuel. And someday soon, it might protect us where we need it most. On Earth. And beyond. If that blew your mind, just wait, this is only the beginning. Hit subscribe now, and dive into a world of bizarre truths, strange science, and the secrets they don't want you to know.